All right, so we're going to finish up this section of the practice test here, multiplication, finding the product, with this video where we'll look at questions 50 and 51. But for 50, we have the binomial 2x plus 3y squared. Well, what's it mean when we square something? Well, it means write it out twice in FOIL. So in this case, we're going to have 2x plus 3y, and write it out twice, so 2x plus 3y, and then FOIL. So first outer, inner, last, also known as double distribute. So 2x times 2x, well, that's 4x squared. And 2x times 3y is going to be plus 6xy. 3y times 2x, again, plus 6xy. And 3y times 3y will be plus 9y squared. We'll go ahead and combine our like terms here. And we get 4x squared plus 12xy plus 9y squared. All right, so that was 50. And now let's take a look at 51, which will wrap up the finding the product section for this chapter 2, or test 2 rather, review series. And let's see, so we're dealing with a square again, but you'll notice that we have two sets of dividers here. We have a bracket and parentheses. So you'll recall from the order of operations, PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, that we have to take care of everything inside our parentheses. So, and we start on the inside and work our way out. So there's nothing that we can simplify here in this first set of parentheses, which means we go to the next set of brackets. And the only thing we can do here is get rid of the parentheses that we dealt with on the first step, because there's nothing that we can combine inside either of the two parentheses except just write it as one string of terms without any brackets. So we're going to have 5x plus 1 plus 5y squared. And again, what does it mean when we are squaring something? It means write it out twice in FOIL. So we have 5x plus 1 plus 5y. Write it out again, 5x plus 1 plus 5y. And now we're going to multiply. So this is definitely a super FOIL. Alrighty. And then we're going to have our 5y go back again. Alright. So it's a lot of arrows going on. Alright, but we have 5x times 5x, so that gives us 25x squared. 5x times 1 will be plus 5x. 5x times 5y will be plus 25xy. And then 1 times 5x will be plus 5x. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5y will be plus 5y. And 5y times 5x will be plus 25xy. 5y times 1 will be plus 5y. And 5y times 5y will be plus 25y squared. All right, so a long string of terms. Let's go ahead and see if we can combine and clean this up. So let's see, we have 25x squared. I don't have any other x squared, so this will just come down, 5x squared. And then let's see, we can go ahead if we want. We can write this the next square, if you will, right after x, right? So we'll have plus, and then no other y squared, so plus 25y squared. All right, and let's see, what will come next? How about we do our x's? So 5x plus 5x is 10x, so plus 10x. And then we can do our 5y, and 5y will be plus 10y. And let's see, 25xy plus 25xy will be plus 50xy. And then our individual constant of just plus 1. So there you have it. Now the answer key, I'm not sure, probably you may have it in a different order. Let's see if I can pull it up. Yeah, they wrote it in a little different order, but it's all the same. This is all addition, and so addition is commutative again. So 2 plus 3 is 5, just like 3 plus 2 is 5. The answer key has this as 25x squared plus 10x plus 1 plus 50xy plus 10y plus 25y squared. So again, this is the answer keys order, but either one is fine. So I'll just denote that. So that's the answer key. All right, so there you have it. That's the end of the finding the product section. And the last several that we're going to look at here on the practice test number 2 are going to deal with division. So I'll see you there.